Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this delicious recipe, you guys. Look at this. This is Arroz con Leche Coconut Edition. Who does not love coconut? I personally love coconut. I think that's one of my favorite flavors. I love coconut anything most of the time, and the other day, I was thinking, you know what? Growing up, one of my favorite summer desserts was arroz con leche. When my mom would make it for us, but then she'd put it in the fridge. I personally love arroz con leche cold, but you can have it however you want. You can have it hot or cold, you guys, however you like. But I was thinking, what if I switch out all the main ingredients and use coconut ingredients instead? Because you know, arroz con leche is typically made con tres leches, and that's all cow milk, like galon, leche de galon, which is just like a regular gallon of milk. You have sweetened condensed milk, lechera, then you have leche evaporada, the evaporated milk, which is like a little bit thicker and creamier. So I started thinking, like, what if instead of the gallon milk, we use coconut milk, the sweetened condensed milk, we use coconut cream, and instead of evaporated milk, we use canned coconut milk. And it just got me thinking, you guys, to try out a recipe. Honestly, I didn't know what I was doing. I kind of was creating this recipe in my head, also bouncing off with my friend and my sister, just like, what do you think would be good? And one thing that my sister mentioned to me was, like, make sure that you use really good quality ingredients and good quality vanilla, just to make sure that this recipe is over the top. So I'm gonna have the recipe linked down below for you guys, that way you can follow it along. And honestly, I've had nothing but rave reviews on my arroz con leche. Man, my mom, the baby, they've all been raving about how delicious it is. And honestly, we went through it, girl. Like, we're done. Literally, we went through it, girl. Like, you're gonna see, I made a whole huge thing of this, and it's gone. It's gone. Of course, my mom took some, and all of us ate some. But girl, you can serve it up however you want. I know traditionally it's just like some people put raisins in it and they sprinkle like cinnamon in it, but I like having mine with fresh cut up strawberries on top, and also fresh cut up mangoes. So you can honestly add whatever. You can add any type of fruit. I just feel like if you're gonna serve it up cold, add a fresh fruit. That way it's just like more delicious. I feel like the mango gives it a more tropical flavor, a more delicious flavor. But anyways, let's go ahead and have a little taste test. Let me show you guys. Right, let's try this. This is so fire. Like, you need this in your life. Everything I used was vegan. Everything I used is non-dairy. So if you have any type of restrictions, this recipe is gonna be your go-to, you guys. Delicious, fast, and so good. And it's a very delicious dessert. That way you can take to barbecues, to family gatherings. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do try out my recipe, let me know in the comments down below. use this vanilla paste, you guys. I've never used vanilla bean paste, and my sister's always telling me that she likes this one, Taylor & College one. It was freaking pricey for this itty bitty thing, but she says that it's good, and I was like, let me go ahead and try it out. I ordered mine on Amazon, so I'll link it down below if you've also been looking for a vanilla bean paste to try out with your recipes. Put you guys down real quick. She says that it gives like a really good vanilla flavor, so I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of the vanilla bean paste. Ooh, it looks weird. Ooh, it's hot. Bought this coconut sugar because I've always wanted to try coconut sugar, and I was like, what a better time to use coconut sugar when I'm making a coconut arroz con leche. So if it needs sweetness, I'm gonna add this one. All right, you guys, I'm gonna taste this. That is so good. So I have 2 cups of washed jasmine rice in here, you guys. So I don't know if I'm gonna add the whole 2 cups or what, but I'm gonna start just adding it in. Oh, fuck it. Let's add a little more rice. I also added in a little bit of this coconut milk from HEB just because I probably had like half a cup left, so I went ahead and added that in, and I went ahead and added the 2 cups of rice. So I'm gonna have this recipe linked down below, you guys, because honestly I'm just kind of like trying this recipe out. I never made this recipe before, and I'm just kind of like winging it, seeing how it comes out, but hopefully it tastes good and everything. I'm gonna taste a sweetness and adjust the sweetness to your liking as well. And we also added in a sprinkle of salt, you guys, so just like a tiny sprinkle. And please adjust the sweetness to your liking. These coconut creams are super sweet, naturally sweet. I sweeten it up a little bit more with the coconut palm sugar because I want mine really sweet. Like, I want to enjoy this dessert. So woo, I'm so excited. So normally I know they tell you don't open the thing when you're cooking rice, but since this is a pudding, we want to stir it. We want it to get thick and creamy. So this is how it's looking. It is done. Look how thick and creamy it is. Oh my god, so thick and creamy. It made a lot, which is good because I wanted to give some to my mom, so yay. Let it cool, and then I'm gonna store it in this container that I have. It's my mom. She actually gave it to me the other day, and it's huge, and it's gonna be perfect to store all this coconut, all this arroz con leche. Look how big it is. So I'm gonna store it in here, put it in the fridge, that way it gets nice and cold and creamy. The rice pudding with strawberries on top.
You are so dear.
Yum. Woo.
You are my honey bun sugar plum. You are my sweetie pie.
You guys, I seriously cannot stop eating this coconut pudding that I made. It's so fire. And this is like the last of it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. How cute is this, you guys? So this is the Yoplait yogurt jars. I kept them, and then I was like, oh no, they don't have no lids. But I forgot my mother-in-law gave me this cute little rubber, it's called food huggers, and it goes basically on mason jars and like small little things like this, and I love it because it keeps it nice and fresh. But I also saw on Amazon that they sell tapas for this, so but they're kind of pricey. But for now I just need one because I do just only have one jar, so I love these. this little food hugger thing. I think she also got this on, no, she told me she got this at Walmart, but I've seen them on Amazon as well. But this is all I have left, girl. So freaking good. Let me enjoy this. So good. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.